Hi children, hello, welcome to your home school. This is your class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our fourth chapter, that is circles, and exercise 4.2 sixth problem. What is this problem? The length of a tangent touching at one point of a circle, okay, from a point A. Where is A? I have taken it as a external point. From A, draw a tangent. AM is tangent. We know that by theorem 4.1, what you can say? Any tangent drawn to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, immediately you should remember that and draw the perpendicular symbol here. Tangent from a point A at a distance 5 centimeters from the center. Where is that, children? Tangent at point A they are talking, and at a distance from center they are saying. Center to point A is how much? 5 centimeters. From the center of the circle is 4 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, find the radius means this we don't know. Right? Now once again I read the question carefully. The length of the tangent. Okay, we are talking about the length of the tangent. What is the length of the tangent? From a point A at a distance 5 centimeters from the center. See here, we are saying first length of the tangent. But that point is at a distance from center 5 centimeters said. The length of the tangent means this they should give first, right? Most of the people will confuse and you are going to write 5 centimeters here. Understand the problem carefully. The length of the tangent from a point A. From a point A. They stop this sentence. And this point A is at a distance of 5 centimeters from the center. Let us write this line distance 5 centimeter. Of the circle is 4 centimeter. Of the circle of what? Which circle? The tangent to the circle length is 4 centimeters. The length of the tangent from a point A of the circle is 4 centimeter. But middle, another point included. Right? Most of the people will write 5 here, 4 here. Okay, don't confuse. Understand the statement carefully. The length of the tangent from a point A is 5 centimeters to the center. This distance is 5 centimeters. To the circle is 4 centimeters. Means to the circle where what you get? Tangent. Tangent distance is how much? 4 centimeters. Now, what is the question asked? Find the radius. Let's start your solution. You can see a right angle triangle. It's very easy to find. What you are going to apply? You need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Given, first write the given data. Given the length of the tangent, or just you write given OA is equal to 5 centimeters and AM is equal to 4 centimeters. They asked us to find OM is equal to question mark. By Pythagoras theorem, what I can say here, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. OA is 5. OM, we don't know OM square as it is. AM, 4 centimeters, 4 whole square. Now 5 5s are 25. OM square plus 16. OM square. Bring this side at a time reverse. 25 minus 16. OM square is equal to 9. Remove the square. Apply square root. OM is equal to 3 centimeters. Therefore, what is the question asked? Radius of the circle. Radius of the circle OM is equal to 3 centimeters. See children, problem is very easy. but understand the question carefully. See the seventh problem. Two concentric circles. Children, do you remember what are concentric circles? Concentric circles. Same center, different circles. Concentric circles 2. How many? 2. So I have drawn 2 circles, one and other with the same center. Are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeters. So observe from here. What is this circle radius? 5. And this radius is how much? 3 centimeters. Small circle radius is 3 and big circle radius is 5 centimeters. What we need to find? Find the length of the chord. Where is chord? We have chord here? No, we need to draw. The length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Where I have to draw this chord, children? I have to draw a chord in larger circle. And it should touch the smaller circle. Where I need to draw? It should be in larger. Okay, here? No, it is not touching the smaller circle. Yes, I think it might be here. Yes, this is a chord. Right? Understand carefully. Draw a chord such that it should be in larger circle. And it should touch the smaller circle. So touch, tangent, it becomes from this external points. For this circle, these two are external points only now. Then this becomes tangent. This line, this chord becomes a tangent. What we need to calculate? Find the length of the chord. What is this distance? What is the length of the chord is your question. How can we calculate? I know the radius of the smaller circle and I know the radius of the larger circle. So, how can I find this one? Okay, observe carefully here, children. Let me join the point where it touches the chord. What is this? It is a radius. Smaller circle radius is how much? 3 centimeters. Now, from this center, I join the external point like this. Now, what does it become? This line is the big circle radius. What it is? 5 centimeters. Okay, understand the question carefully. Draw 2 circles. Let the 2 circles be C1 and C2. Draw a chord inside the larger circle and it should touch the smaller circle. Find the length of the chord asked. To find this length, I have joined 2 radius to form a triangle. And one more point I remember. If AB is a chord, this is external point, right? Then if it is touching a circle, what does it become? Tangent. And immediately what you remember? Tangent is perpendicular to the radius of a circle through the point of contact. Now observe only this triangle. That is, just observe only this much, children. Let this be center and let this be P. O, P, B. 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters. What is the length of the chord? This chord is touching the circle and it is perpendicular. So what I can say, if it is perpendicular, then it is divided exactly at the center of the chord. So suppose if you join this side, this distance is same as this distance. If you find out this, double the distance, you are going to get the length of the chord. Let's start our solution here. Let 2 concentric circles be C1 and C2 having radius of C1 is equal to 3 centimeters and radius of C2 is equal to 5 centimeters. Next step, draw a chord AB such that the chord is in larger circle and touches the smaller circle, right? Now, we know that O is a center, AB is a chord we have drawn. Now, we know the radius OP is equal to 3 centimeters. If you want radius of C1, I may write it as OP. Radius of big circle C2, I may write it as OB. Right? So, we need to find chord length or length of the chord is equal to AB is equal to question mark. We need to find the length of the chord, right? So now consider this right triangle. Let us write here. Consider triangle OPB. I can apply Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Sum of the squares of other two sides. OB 5 whole square, OP 3 whole square plus PB square. 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9 plus PB square. PB square is equal to 25 minus 9, that equal to 16. We know that PB square is equal to 16. I don't want square, so apply square root other side. PB is equal to square root of 16. PB is equal to 4 centimeters. Most of the people will end the problem here. No, you should not end. Still, your problem is not completed. What is the length of the chord asked? Therefore, chord length is equal to chord length AB is equal to AP plus PB. We know that PB is equal to 4 centimeters. Immediately what I can say, PB is equal to AP. AP 4, PB is also 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Therefore, length of chord is equal to 8 centimeters. That is your answer. Eighth problem. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. What is this, children? You can say quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle. Quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle. This quadrilateral is touching the circle at 4 points. A circle, prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. First understand carefully, children. What is given? Quadrilateral given and circumscribed by a circle. Circle is circumscribed by quadrilateral. So, I can see, if I see only circle, what is A? For a circle I am asking. For a circle means A is the external point. And from this point, what are these two small lines? Tangents. Tangents arise from the external point. And here B. B is also external point. Only point B you need to concentrate. Point B. It is also external point. And you can draw two tangents for the circle. C is also external point, 2 tangents. D is also external point, 2 tangents. Immediately I remember a theorem statement. The length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Immediately I remember this point, so I have written. But first 2 lines, what you need to write? Given data, then what to prove you need to write. To prove AB plus CD is equal to AB plus BC. Given data, ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. You can write in the data. Then to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Now, immediately by seeing ABCD, I remember this point. The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Which tangent's length equal, children? If I consider A, these two are equal. If I consider B, these two are equal. If I consider C, these two are equal. And again, suppose let me write 4, we can't write 4, right? Just imagine these two are equal. So now, if A is an external point, if we consider A is an external point to a circle, then what I can write, children? AP is equal to AS. Will you accept? According to this theorem statement, I write that AP is equal to AS. Mark this first equation. If B is an so and so, you can write B is an external point to the circle. I can remember BP is equal to BQ. Right? Second equation. Next, similarly, if C is an external point to a circle, what you can write? CR is equal to CQ. Mark this third equation. If D is an external point to a circle, what you can write, children? DR is equal to DS. And mark this fourth equation. Once again, understand how I am writing. Please look here. I try to write this side and this side to be left side. You can observe. Look here carefully. AP, BP, CR, DR. AP, AS. BP, BQ. CR, CQ. DR, DS I have written. Don't write ulta balta. How we are going to write? First, understand carefully. You may write AS is equal to AP. But then next step, you might get the mistakes. How we are going to take? Observe carefully. From A, if you take, start this line and this line should come on left side of the four equations. AP, AS, BP, BQ, CR, CQ, DR, DS. Next step, add. Adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Add all the four equations. What you are going to get? Left hand side you add. Right hand side. That will be AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to right hand side. Now you add AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now look here, children. What is AP plus BP and CR plus DR? AP plus BP is AB. CR plus DR is CD. This side little change, children. AS plus DS. AS plus DS will be AD and BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ is how much? BC. So finally what I can say? Therefore AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This is the thing we need to prove, right? Hence, final statement, hence it is proved. Understand here concept carefully. We know already they are equal. But how we need to prove? We consider these four as external points and towards a circle there will be tangents. Tangents external point, the length will be equal. Therefore equal lengths, you mark 1, 1, 1 equation. Then add all the equations, right? Then this line and this line will be one side and this line will be another side. Okay? Try to understand carefully. With this, we are going to end our session, children. In our next 2 sessions, we are going to complete this chapter. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.